Their Majesties, the King and Queen, today presided over the annual Royal Ploughing Ceremony at Sanam Luang, marking the traditional start of the rice growing season. The centuries-old ceremony is held to bring good fortune to crops and boost morale among Thailand's agricultural communities. This year, the role of Lord of the Ploughing Ceremony was performed by the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Agriculture and Cooperatives. During the ritual prediction, a 6-span cloth was selected, forecasting limited rainfall this year with good harvests expected in lowland farming areas, while upland farms may see lower yields. As part of the ceremony, the sacred oxen were presented with 7 symbolic foods and drinks. The oxen chose green beans, water, grass, and liquor, a prediction interpreted as a sign of abundant food supplies, adequate water resources, stronger trade, and improving economic conditions. Their Majesties also presented plaques honoring outstanding farmers, agricultural cooperatives, and national agricultural scholars in recognition of their contributions to Thailand's farming sector. Held each year in May, the ceremony signals the start of the rice growing season and celebrates the country's long-standing connection to farming, a sector that continues to support livelihoods and the national economy.